Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to connect a SQL server to migrate content, MySQL content or SQL content to Mongo Cloud Server. So it's called SQL migration. So say there are two options here, SQL to Mongo or Mongo to SQL. So vice versa. So let's choose first one, SQL to Mongo migration. So in that case, we'll be considering our XAMPP local server will be our SQL server. And we are going to migrate content from our local server, means SQL server, to Mongo. So to do that, let's start, click here, SQL migration, SQL to MongoDB migration, and then we'll choose get started. Now we can see there are two options here, so that we need to get connected with our local server as well as get connected with the Mongo. So Mongo connection is already here. With the very beginning, we connected our Mongo with Studio 3T, so it's already there. Now let's connect our source of SQL connections. I'm clicking here and click on new connection. So in this connection, we have to make sure that our XAMPP is running. And you can see here MySQL port is 3307 and our URL is localhost. So if you write host local host, our port number 3307, it might be varied from one to another. If you like to give a name, you can name it. Otherwise, you can keep it same. Our root has no password, and you can just test connection, and you can see it's connected. So I'm not going to save this one because I already arranged this. And if I click on edit, you can see all those inputs are there. All right, so it's connected. Now we are going to add source table. So we are migrating from SQL to Mongo. And in that case, I'm choosing here this test database and add from source. Now it's connected to my SQL. And let's choose this library database, and I can see there are three tables there. 1, 2, 3. I press Control and selected all of them here, and you can see all those three libraries are here. And for these targeted MongoDB connections, if you like to switch, you can switch. I'm not going to switch it because I'm already settled with this connection that we connected earlier. So copy the URI or connection link from Mongo Compass, and from URI, you can just paste this one, this link here, and make sure you change this password text with your real password that we know from our earlier video, and you can find that from authentication. So just make sure you added your right password there, and my password is Mongo. So I'm just saving this one, it is already saved, so I cancel it. So now let's migrate all those to on run migration. And it says 3 import units will be run. Would you like to continue? Yes. And this is a message regarding trial version because we are using trial version. Click OK. And you can see progress here. And at the very end, you will see this is completed. In this server, we can see library is here, and you can see all those 3 tables, library, books, and book authors. Book authors are there, and they have their different inputs.